In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you've ever wanted to turn a slide deck into a clean, shareable video, you're in the right place. We'll walk through preparing your slides, recording narration if you want it, setting timing so everything flows smoothly, and finally exporting the whole presentation as a high-quality video. Start by opening the PowerPoint file you want to convert, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Make sure your slides are organized the way you want the story to unfold. This is a great moment to tidy up text, align objects, and confirm that images and charts are clear and readable. Next, add movement with animations and transitions. Animations control how text and objects appear on a slide. Think of them as the on-screen choreography. Use them to reveal bullet points one at a time, or bring in a chart element by element. Transitions control how you move from one slide to the next. Keep transitions consistent and subtle so the content remains the star. If something feels distracting when you preview it, simplify it. If you'd like narration, go to the slideshow tab and choose record. Turn on your microphone, and your camera too if you want a video of yourself in the corner. Record slide by slide, speaking naturally and pausing briefly when animations play. You can redo any slide until you're happy. A quick tip: do a 5-second test recording to check audio levels and background noise before you record the full deck. Now set your slide timings. Head to the Transitions tab. If you recorded narration, you can use the recorded timings automatically. If you didn't, enable the After option and set a duration for each slide so they advance on their own. Give denser slides a little more time and keep your tempo consistent. When everything looks and sounds right, it's time to export. Go to File, Export, and choose Create a Video. Pick the quality that fits your needs. Full HD 1080p is a solid choice for most purposes and balances clarity with file size. If you recorded narration or timings, select the option to use them so your video plays exactly as rehearsed. Finally, click Create Video, choose where to save, and let PowerPoint render. Larger presentations may take a few minutes, so keep the app open while it processes. When it's done, play the exported file to make sure audio, animations, and timings line up. That's it. You've turned your PowerPoint into a polished video, ready to share, upload, or embed wherever you need.